You moved your stop? Yeah, I did. But I don't think it's gonna work out anyways. What up, what up, what up, everyone? Welcome to the stream. What's good, Jorge? What's good, Financial Motivation? What's good, Rorzy? Good morning, or good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Who's hyped for this Asia session today? Because I'm hyped. What's up, Edward? Think we might go up to 760s? I think so too. Why you already in shorts? I had a level. I had a level at 723 and 728. Honestly, I don't have a good entry. I don't really know if this is gonna play out too well, but let's see. Could have gotten a way better entry off that hourly, but alas. You got a limit at 734. 734 is decent. I like 734. I think that lines up with the OT of the hourly RB. Let me check. It's around there. Could be nice. When can I come to the warehouse? Pull up whenever, bro. You know the address, pull up. You didn't stream New York? I mean, honestly, I didn't really trade New York that much. I only made like a band during New York. 764? I don't like 764. Love the background. Appreciate it. My car is parked all the way in the back. This is keys right now. You wanted to move it up. How can we go back to being friends? Bro, this shit is so gay right now. I'm not really liking how it's acting right now. What happened to the white M3? It's all the way in the back over there. It's all the way in the back. You guys can probably see it in the mirror. Like, if I point right, hold on, where is it? Right there. There's the white M3. There's a 340i with a big turbo. This is Grigio Telesto F80. One of 7. Can you show the footprint chart? No. This shit isn't gonna play out. I don't think it's gonna play out either. But let's see. What do you think your next limit would be? Honestly, I would just wait and then look for a retracement. Like, I prefer longs, guys, but I need a retracement to enter longs, you know? You remember data, Shinobi? What do you mean by that? What's data? Let's see. Let's see what happens. Like 736 looks decent. 735, 75. Hmm. I don't know. I'm not really seeing anything crazy that I like. This is a weird candle formation. Like this candle closed here. This one opened at the low of this candle and then moved up. That's really weird. How do you determine your buy slash draw on liquidity? I just go to a higher time frame and I look to see what we've already swept, right? So let's go to the daily time frame, right? The way I like to look out for my biases is just to see what we've already taken out, right? So we've already taken out this low. So that means our target should be this area here, this high. So 805 is mainly the draw on liquidity for now. So if you go into the 4 hour, you look at it from this point, you see how we had relative equal lows here that got swept. Now we would have to go take out another previous high before continuing lower. So that would be the area over here. Does that mean like a lot of things that people mess up is when they see a draw on liquidity, they immediately assume like, oh, I can only take longs, right? These pullbacks that we had, 78, that's an 80 point drawdown. This 4 hour candle went from 527 all the way down 200 points, right? Like all these 4 hour candles that were red were almost 100 points. So not every single time are you just going to be longing, because if you were trying to long this, you would have liquidated here, liquidated here, liquidated here. So when people like formulate a bias, people get, I don't know how to explain it, they get too attached to that bias. Like my bias is higher, but I can still trade a retracement lower and look for a better entry, right? Like my ideal entry here would be 650. If I could get an entry at 650, I will be so happy, right? Doesn't mean that, you know, you can't get married to the bias. Two minis, yeah. Do you always enter off rejection blocks? No. Right? So that's what you guys got to watch out for. Don't ever get married to the bias. You can have a larger, you can have an overall bias of, hey, I think the market's going to continue higher, but you also need to be vigilant enough and be able to adapt to possible retracements that happen. So I'm trading against my bias right now. Yeah, a lot of people will tell you, oh, don't trade against your bias, don't do this. But if I see an opportunity to where I could get a retracement and a possible better entry, that would make a lot of sense too. We also have a lot of LRLR down here, right? So over the Asia session into New York's into London session, we could go for this LRLR, right? Which would be honestly ideal. I'm in long since 702. 702. Where would you have gotten that long? That's a really good long. Good shit. Thanks for liquidating me, twin. You're welcome, Joffrey. It happens. When did you start trading? I started trading around 6 years ago. 6, 7 years ago. On the 15. 704. Yeah. I like this rejection block. I would honestly I wouldn't hold for this full TP. I would like that rejection block. But honestly, I would like to see this full volume imbalance get filled, this little gap. I would like to see this get filled all the way. What was the entry here? Straight vibes. I had a level based off of order flow here, so I just took that. Think about 736 for shorts. I like 735, 75, but I don't like it. I don't like it, to be honest. I see what you're seeing in QAs. You're using the Dutch model, but I don't really fuck with it too much. I don't like that area as much as I thought. Gatekeeping so hard. What are you talking about gatekeeping? I just explained. Like, if I break down footprint charts, are you guys going to understand it? None of you guys are going to understand it. I have full-on videos teaching my strategy on YouTube, bro. You guys are just too lazy to go look at them. And then you guys just want to say I gatekeep. Yo, what's good, Mitchell? I've been good. Where you been? Make a vid then and spill sauce? Bro, like, you think I have 23,000 subscribers and 150 YouTube videos just gatekeeping? Are you stupid? Come on now. Make a video then and spill sauce. I have 100-something videos. Wait, no, I have probably have more. I have 228 videos. Like literally, my last video, literally my 1 minute top ticks scalping strategy. How to set up Sierra footprint charts. This supply and demand strategy changed my trading. How to start day trading for beginners, right? Don't trade ICT unless you master this one concept. The only ICT daily bias video you're going to need. The order flow strategy that made me 100K. Come on, guys. Well, 750 for shorts, 4-hour FVG equilibrium. Let's check it out. Let me see. This doesn't look too crazy. It's such a small, like, I like, I like, I actually fuck with 742. Not 750, though. If we get up there. But then again, like, I don't want to just keep retrying shorts. Like, it's back, like, theoretically, it should start to reject here. Blixie, you said no, or Kama, you said that? Bro, you guys throw like 3,000 levels at me, bro. Like, I'm not gonna remember all of them. Like, honestly, it gets, I don't, when someone's like, yo, what do you think about this level? I just don't even comprehend it. In 3 minis? Damn, you're in heavy. I said it in Discord, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I don't, whenever, you guys just be dropping too many levels on the free chat. Yeah, bro. Like, people, they just want to aura farm so bad in the Discord. What's that sound? We have a fan running right now. Who would you say has the best trading course? I don't fucking know, bro. I asked you to give me the tip when it, bro, or a depletion. That's crazy. I remember that, bro. I said, say good morning, bro. I was like, dude, I just want just the tip. And I'm like, bro, what are you saying right now? Big ass fan? Yeah, it's right there. It's big as fuck. How's everyone else's night doing, though? What are you guys up to? Bro, I gotta change my fucking stream overlay, bro. Fuck. I gotta change my stream overlay. Watching the Eagles, dude. I hope they win. Actually, I don't give a fuck if they win. To be honest, I don't know why I'm lying. I couldn't give less of a fuck actually. All right, yo, you guys want to make you guys want to help me make a stream overlay? We gotta make a stream overlay. I'll make it. I'll make it on the side here so you guys can also see. So then we can work on it together. All right. New file. Wait, hold on. Billing issue. Hold on, I gotta figure this out. All right. What should we make? Wait, no, we need to make 1080 by 1080. All right. Yeah, the 90% over is the 90% off is over. All right. First of all, we got to make the new banner up top. What should the banner say up top, guys? low-key think we just make it a smaller banner. I'm not really rocking with the big one anymore. Like, that's way too big. And what should it say? Code OBI for the best discount on. Should we do this? Lower, we'll make it size 14. Wait, hold on. I gotta make it bigger. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. All right. We got that. You guys rock with that? Make it say hashtag free Palestine. Come on, bro. This is a trading stream. Brown Boy Shinobi? Dude, that's stupid. Oh, and then I gotta change the code OBI to a different color. We'll make it like this yellow. Boom. And then we got this. So we'll save this file, export, save for web. Boom. 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 Stream banner. All right, and then we gotta make this thing. What should it say? So we gotta start off with the gradient. We'll have to do black and purple. All right, let's see. Let's see the basics. We'll do this. Go here. Okay, click this. Then we want purple. We'll make it a light purple. A little bit of dark one. Boom. We'll make it a little bit like this. Oh. We got to go boom. No, we got to go like a little like that. Then we're going to reverse it. Reversed. Boom. All right. All right. And then we're going to say, should we talk about the free Discord? Are you about to hold this trade or what is this? What do you like? Obviously, I'm going to hold it, bro. I'm holding it to my stop loss or until we start getting a little bit into profit. Yo, Key. Yo. All right, wait. No, it's not valid for 90% off. That's why we're making a new thing. I'm just going to make it say code OBI. Code. Code. And then we got to say OBI, and let's go through the different fonts. OBI. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Code OBI, and then we got to add the purple. We got to make the purple, what's it called? Stroke. Guys, I wouldn't recommend entering this. Guys, if you guys are just joining, do not enter this trade right now. It's low-key getting chuzzed. I do not think it's going to play out. So be very careful. Like, I hate going into a stream with a position open because honestly, this is not a good position to be in right now, in my humble opinion. So if you guys are in it, like just join the stream, don't enter this position, please. I don't want to deal with the trolls. Gotta make this a darker gray. No. Wait. Flip. I messed it up. Where is it? Blending options, stroke. We're gonna make it a little bit of a purplish, slightly. I'm gonna add a little bit of a drop shadow. I'll make it a darker purple, like that. And then we're gonna copy the layer style over. Boom, and paste the layer style. What were your confluences, if you don't mind? Honestly, bro, it was just like a level I saw, and then I just thought the market was overextended. This isn't really a high quality play, guys. It's not. It's probably not gonna play out. And then we gotta get. Hold on. We're gonna get one of these swirls going. Boom, boom. Create clipping mask. Now watch. Oh my God, Shinobi, it looks so ass. Hold on, hold on. We're gonna. It's just to add a little bit of texture. Create clipping mask. Bro, I'm teaching you guys something new. People will start trolling you this for tomorrow. For what? Dude, I don't give a fuck about trolls, bro. I really don't. All right, and then we're gonna do. All right, and then what else is remaining, guys? All right, we gotta go up here. Why does it? All right, and then we gotta add some siren shit. 746. Yeah, I'm looking at it. Or no, 742.50 is what I'm watching. That's probably what I'm watching next. 742.50. But I would probably do 742 on the dot. Let's see what happens here. Past the one, now need 10 points from my other account to get a payout. Dude, hopefully you get it. Let's get it. All right, now we gotta add the siren emojis. Honestly, I'm gonna move this out of the way. 746, guys. I like 742. All right, I got stopped. About fucking time. That shit took enough time. All right, 742 is where I'm next watching for shorts. 742. Have you heard do day trading with Matt? No, I haven't. He has 741. I have 742. Do, 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 He's a mathematician who developed his own platform. Sounds too much. Yo, bro, dude, this guy's fucking annoying me, bro. He was doing the same bullshit yesterday, bro. I'm not trying to hear all this. Like, why are people pocket watching so hard, bro? Asking how much do you make from this? How much do you make from this, bro? Like, I'm not answering that shit, bro. I'm not. I don't owe you an answer for any of that shit. Like, that's just weird. I don't know why people are so comfortable with just asking people like how much they make and shit. Like, that's actually just weirdo shit. Any tips for first time trading trailing drawdown except trailing my stop loss? Honestly, bro, the best advice I could give for trailing drawdown trading is have a really aggressive take profit. Like stop having a take profit where it's like 30, 40 points away, bro. Take that 10 points take profit every single time, bro. Like a lot of people are going to tell you like, "Oh, until your trailing drawdown like stops, until then, dude, just keep taking those fucking entries. Like, just be very aggressive with your take profits. It's the only way to trade it. All right, now we can fix the stream and get this 90% off away. So, kind of on the scalping side, yeah, exactly. Like, if you're trading a firm that has trailing drawdown, especially Apex, you can't afford to stay in a trade that has any sort of drawdown. Like, you need to be very on top of like taking your trades. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. And then I gotta replace paste this image. All right. There we go. Yeah, it's going to be a 10-point stop loss, guys. Up there. Why did you choose 742? It's just that 4-hour fair value gap. And it's the CE of that 4-hour fair value gap. So if I go here to the 4-hour, and then I draw out this fair value gap here, you are going to see that our limit is pretty much at that 4-hour fair value gap CE. The CE is actually at like 43. Let me change this to 4-hour FVG. Boom. I watched your latest YouTube video and since then trying to learn and figure out rejection blocks and so on. Do you have any tips on searching or selecting the better rejection block? Sometimes I'm not always sure if it's a good rejection block or not. Yeah, so I mean, when it comes to looking for a good rejection block, like let's just say there's some candles, right? It's always going to be the rejection block that trades into a PD array. So right here, you see how we have a fair value gap here. Say we created a rejection block here, we traded into it, and then it wicks off heavily. Since it's wicking off a bearish rejection block, you want this candle to close bearish, right? You don't want this to be a green candle you're shorting. So if we're having a rejection block out of a bearish PD array, you want it to close red or the next candle be red before it trades into it to kind of show that change in momentum. If this candle trades into this rejection block and it's a green candle and that's what you're considering a rejection block, like it's most likely going to continue, right? Do you use deviations at all? No. When are you releasing your course? I'm probably going to release it probably this week, I think. Let me see. We have all the slides done. I just got to record it. What's so special about the 4-hour CE of that gap when there's higher time frame PD arrays everywhere? I mean, higher time frame PD arrays play a very big part, right? When you say everywhere, I want you to define everywhere, right? We go into the 4-hour time frame. Where's everywhere? What, like you see how there's a fair value gap here, 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 here. This is the furthest fair value gap on this entire leg. That's why these were traded through so easily, because the one that's furthest away always holds the most amount of weight, right? Like over here, there's no fair value gap. This was the furthest one. This is where we reacted out of. This was the furthest one. And this is the furthest one during this entire move up. All these got chuzzed on this move down. This one is where we bounced from the hardest, right? We had to move up. So it's not specific on just like higher time frame PD arrays. It's that the fact that this is the furthest one on this. It was the first fair value gap formed on the 4-hour during this entire move down. Does that make sense? The one that initiated that move. How would you know that will dump from there? Why not probably want to take buy side liquidity then dump? I don't know that it's going to reject here. I'm taking a probability that, hey, we reject off this fair value gap first, retrace into, you know, a better entry area for longs and then go take out buy side. 1-hour high at 681 should have been bearish for a good rejection. Let's see. $681. This one? No. Like I said, This rejection block traded into this, right? What do we see here? First of all, this is the second time it reached in at 681. This fair value gap already got tapped into over here, and you can see we rejected off that CE. Matter of fact, it went from 653 all the way down to 622, right? 30 points. It would have already been a trade. The fact that this is the second time this fair value gap is getting used, right? This I would not consider a valid rejection block to take, right? Especially because it already got used once. This would have been a valid one to take, and you can see it worked out. This one, no. That's just what it is, right? It's a lot of discretion that's involved when it comes to trading rejection blocks or even just any sort of strategy. First of all, first thing you got to get under, yeah, it has to be unmitigated, the PD array that the rejection blocks formed in. But the thing that a lot of people don't understand is when you're trading rejection blocks or whatever you want to call it, any sort of strategy, the issue is a lot of people, they try finding a strategy, back testing it, and they're like, oh, it didn't work here, it didn't work here, it didn't work here. Yeah, not every strategy is going to work 100%, right? There's going to be losing trades. There's going to be times it doesn't work out. That's just the nature of the game. You have to sort of get out of that mindset of looking for the holy grail and being like, oh, this strategy has to work 90% of the time. Rejection blocks are a high RR, lower win rate, right? That's how you mainly trade rejection blocks. You have to have other confluences. Instead of worrying about, oh, this rejection block didn't work just the second it fucking formed, look for entry triggers, look for reasons or confluences that you can add on to actually sort of tighten down on what you should be, what rejection blocks you should be taking. I'm just confused on when do I start looking for entries of the CE? Is it right after the higher time frame candle closes, or while it's still moving, or do I stay in the same time frame? I don't really know what you're asking there. Like, are you saying like an hourly rejection block, or like wait for the candle to close? A rejection block candle should be closed before you look. If 742 doesn't work out, guys, I'm most likely not going to take an entry. Is 4 hour the highest probability? In my opinion, like I could say whatever, but I would say back test, right? Especially whatever strategy you're specifically looking at, back test and then go from there. Just because I say something, this shouldn't mean anything, you know? Orders on liquidity at 750. I have a short at 742. That got edged all. You lost $100 this morning and then got edged all day after. Any tips on how to deal with that? I mean, the biggest tip is, bro, is like when it comes to just like taking L's in the market, you just have to accept that you're going to lose, right? You have to accept like, hey, the market is not going to be in my favor every single time. And don't think about it as just like you have to make money today. Think about it, yo, I want to make money in a month, in 2 months, in 3 months, in a year, right? Every single decision you make today, the end of the world isn't at the end of the night, at the end of the trading session, right? Accept the fact you're going to lose, and you have to become really good at just being able to lose and take an L and be able to call it a day. A lot of people, they just can't call it a day when they're red. It's just impossible for them. I don't know why. I do really bad back testing compared to my live testing. It makes it really hard to back test strategies. I mean, the issue with back testing is that you can just fast forward through whatever, you know? You can just fast forward through your strategy or your trades or whatever the case is. So I can understand why. Yo, Key, you seeing this 4 hour? I'm taking. I have mine at 42. What are your thoughts on that? Thoughts on what? Look at the 30-minute rejection block just above your 4 hour FVG. 30-minute rejection block right above. This one, I don't like. It's been used twice. To be honest, this was the one, and this one already got traded out of. Bro, why is my nose so itchy? What if those candles on a higher time frame that are small as fuck doji but closed up very little, and you want to use that for shorts? Listen, if it's not bearish, it's not bearish. Did we get edge, chat? Dude, I'm gonna be annoyed. But maybe your signal better slap? Yeah, bro, I hope so. Shinobi, how do you feel about beginners trading multiple sessions? I honestly think it's good, bro. If you're a beginner, you need as much screen time as possible. Yo, Drake. Bro, Key. Bro, Drake just went live as he went live at the same time as us, bro. He's trying to fuck with us. I told Aubrey to chill, bro. Nah, dude, Drake just went live, bro. He's trying to fuck with me. He's trying to fuck with my viewers, bro. He's trying to drop on the same day as me. What's good, Vikram? Fuck Drake. He couldn't hit a 10 RR. Dude, exactly what I'm saying. What's the time frame you recommend? Like I take most of my trades off the 5 minute, but I do most of my analysis on the higher time frames. I don't think there's one time frame I could just recommend. Have you seen the new update on TradingView? I haven't. The macro maps? Nope. Is that not a 1 hour rejection block at 7:51? This, guys, let's use our brains. This was already traded and used for this moved out. So you base your trade on like a 4 hour and 1 hour, but you enter and exit on lower time frame. Yeah, just like most people. That's actually what most people do. 100% you got edged? I don't think so. I think we go for it. I'm going to join the premium soon so I get access to you. You're the man. Appreciate it, bro. TP, honestly, I would just target low hanging fruit. Like, we built a lot of low resistance liquidity here. Do you collect Pokemon cards? No. I collect a lot of weird stuff, though. Yo, I'm turning the light back on over here. No, it doesn't look good on my shit. No, dude, you can't see it. It's fucking black. Yeah, it does, bro. That's unfair. Yo, we gotta get the hex lights fixed, bro. Is this a high win rate setup? Bro collects dildos. You guys are crazy. Yeah, it's not, dude. Like, if it's gonna, the way you know it's gonna be high a day or something is when it literally pumps to your fucking short, instantly rejects. But it's like a fast move, like where no one else could have gotten an entry. Hey, bro, where's my M3? I don't know, bro. Do you even have an M3? Going in with 15 minis, you're crazy. Yo, Chad, I'm not gonna lie, I'm low-key fucking hungry, man. Fuck. Imagine you find a rejection block on the 1 hour time frame and you wait until the candle is closed, or when you feel like there's going to be a rejection block, that's when you move to lower time frame. I'm always on the lower time frame, guys. I'm always on the lower time frame. Like, I'm not sitting on the out. Like, I've never waited on the hourly time frame. I'm like, ooh, rejection block's about to form. Ooh. Like, no, bro. What's Luke been up to? You still stream with him? He doesn't stream, bro. Like, Loki just be trading on his own. He doesn't really stream. Order a salad like yesterday, bro. That was 2 days ago. He doesn't stream for his students? I think he does. I don't know. I don't know if he does. 1 hour rejection block CEF 5175. That's not a valid rejection block. That's not even a rejection block, bro. It already got used. You're just like spewing out random levels now. When do you have time to enjoy your time? Dude, I've been enjoying my day all day. BMW getting all up close and personal. Yeah, bro. I don't know who the I don't know why he brought it up here. You think it's gonna dip once it hits your TP? You mean once it hits my entry? I don't know. I would assume so. I'm looking for a move down. Why is it staring menacingly though? I don't know. We're gonna ask her right now. Hey, stop it. All right, it should stop staring. Is tickers invite only or is it just you guys? For the I don't know, bro. Like it's us for the main part. I don't know if we're gonna add any more people in the future or not. New 5 minute order block. Buzzword, buzzword. Why don't you just take a continuation of 4 hour gap? What, take 10 points? What am I gonna do with that? Please let me know if there's any promos. No, there's no promos, guys. $15-minute rejection block we just made. We didn't trade. We just took out liquidity. We didn't even trade into any sort of higher time frame PDRA. The only 15-minute rejection block I see is this one, but I don't like it too much because this fair value gap was used 1, 2, 3 times. Like right now, bro, I could just tell a lot of you guys in the stream are just so fucking horny to get into a play. Like you're just like, oh, I can't wait to get into a play, blah blah blah. Like, chill out, guys. Chill out and you're good. Also, make sure you guys are liking up the stream. There should be no reason we're at 21 likes with 300 people watching. Like, what the fuck is this? Why is your chart different than NAS 100 chart? Because you're on NAS 100. This is NQ. You're on Forex or CFDs. This is on futures. Okay, I don't know how you put up with us youngins. You just disliked? All right, bro. And you're banned. Banned. When does setup become invalid for you? To be honest, it doesn't become invalid. I just don't like this. How long you been trading for? 1 year. I've been trading for 7 years almost. Or 6 years. Since 2019. 6, 7? No, I've actually been trading for 6. So if I use max cons on my Apex P on the first day, will they deny me payout? There's a consistency, so yeah, they would deny you. How old are you now? I'm 23. How long did it get you to get your first payout? Bro, I already made $1 million trading plus on a live account before I ever started trading prop firms. How did you learn how to trade? Honestly, by spending every fucking waking hour when I first started just on the charts. Just consistently backtesting over and over and over and over again. Yo, are we gonna get food? Huh? No, I'll order. I'm just... Wait, what are you grabbing? No, I'm saying from the car. Are you turning off the car? Why? Huh? Why? Why are they so worried? Where's limit sell and stop loss? My limit sell is at 742. My stop loss is at 752. Options easier than futures? Bro, trading isn't easy no matter what instrument you trade. What do you think about the 4-hour rejection block at 819? I don't like it. This fair value gap was used once and already rejected off of them. This one, this rejection block was already traded into and rejected. And for a third time. Guys, any PD array, this is game. This is sauce. If any PD array, you want your PD arrays like your girls, bro. You do not want your PDA ran through. Otherwise, it's not going to be good. All right? You want a PD array that's fresh, that doesn't fucking... That isn't fucking fucking sorority girl at Rutgers Uber. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you want that shit. You don't want that shit. You want a fucking PD array that hasn't been ran through. It'll be experienced, yeah, and then it'll fuck you over. Of course, I get it out of the second you started spitting game. Did you, bro? A PD array from Harvard. That's what you want. Start with 200, made 7K my first month trading options, momentum stocks with trend line breakouts. Lost it all the next month. Can't say I feel bad for you, bro. How long did it take you to become profitable? It took me a year and a half. I was 17 when I started. So you guys have to remember, it took me longer because I was younger. You think Harvard girls don't fucking wrong? Bro, God forbid we just make a joke, bro. And also, guys, let's get to 100 likes. We're at 55 right now. Let's get to 100 right now. If you guys haven't liked up the stream, make sure you guys like it up. Let's start hitting this. Let's get some likes in the stream, bro. Weekly chart, Monday, August 4th, candle rejection block. Yo, youth, I'm not your fucking personal fucking chart technician, bro. Bro, you've been yelling the entire time. I'll beat your ass. You come here and do it. Come here and do it. Nah, come here and do it. Nah, I just knew you were a bitch, bro. You won't come here and do it. You won't come here, bro. I'll scratch the Grigio Telesto. I'll do it. Yeah, you fucking crooked teeth, fuck. Fuck up, faggot. Ah, take a run. Yo, go unclog the toilet you shitted in. Yeah. Yo, you know what, bro? How about you go to the dentist? Yo, fucking crooked tooth, fuck. Yo, you smelly fucking breath, fuck. Yo, bro, shut up, you piece of bacon. Yo, he just said the N-word, chat. Cancel him. Oh my, no, you can't play it off. Yo, he just said the N-word. I knew it. No, I was like, because I mean, hold on. I didn't almost say it, but in the hypothetical world where I almost said it, I stopped talking, and then you said it. No, I don't, bro. I've never said it. I've never said the N-word. Say it again. Do it right now. Yo, that's too funny. Clip it. Send it to Apex. Bro, that was too funny. Oh my god. That was the funniest thing. He said it so smooth. Yeah, I almost didn't notice it, bro. Key, part of being a good trader is saying it. That's what I think too. Being a good, like, if no, yo, Key, you gotta read my chat. He's trying to play it off right now, guys. He's trying to play it off. That's how you know he says it a lot. Oh my god. Yo, he's trying to play it off right now, like he didn't just say it. Are you keeping this limit? Yeah, for now I am. For now I am. Your comment got deleted on Keys Live? What? Am I being silenced, chat? I've been silenced. Fuck you say about me, bro? Should I make the calls? Should I get them pump the market? I need your signal. This trade is gonna pass my account, bro. We're just dumping. We're not even getting an entry. Like, this shit didn't want to dump when I was short. Now all it wants to do is dump. Shinobi, I want to see you oiled up, bro. Guys, those comments gotta stop one day, you know? Guys, why the fuck are we only at 65 likes? Key said it's not a secret he hates Shinobi the traitor. Alright, bro. Like, I hate Keyflow the idiot. Is it engineered liquidity? Yeah. Bro, this thing is just going without us at this point. Damn. Bro, I'm literally not seeing a trade right now. That was literally a perfect short, bro. Dodgy blocked you. What do you wait for to get in here? I'm honestly just waiting for my limit. I'm waiting for this 4 hour. Like right now, guys, it's just engineering liquidity because it needs to tap into this 4 hour gap for it to continue lower. There's no way it edges and doesn't do it. So we just have to be patient. We just have to be patient critics. Got edge 25 minutes ago. What do you mean patient? I'm gonna go touch key inappropriately, bro. Dude, fucking do some nasty shit to him. What are you doing? Turning off the fan? They're saying the noise is too high. You see that little scroll thing under your mic? Turn that a little lower. Turn up your gain on your OBS. You should be good. Are you looking? What are you looking for on the footprint chart to confirm a limit? I'm not gonna tell you. So if you don't give me premium, bad things will happen to Char, dude. Honestly, I'm never giving you premium now. I want bad things. Not playing. See how price reacts to rejection. Well, is there a specific reason on Wednesday 22 hours? Yo, I'm not going. Guys, I'm not gonna look back at specific rejection blocks just because like I did it once or twice today. Went through like 10 of them today, explaining them to you guys. Like I'm not doing all that. Or if you drop sauce on the YouTube, just tell us what to look for on footprint. Bro, the thing is I'm not gonna drop sauce on here if you guys aren't like if you're gonna ask me a specific question about something in the videos, I'll answer it. But I'm not gonna sit here and explain an entirely new concept to you guys because at that time it's just a waste of my time. Because if you guys don't have enough, like, enough want in you to go watch a YouTube video where I actually explain it in full detail, then there's no point in me just saying it here because it's gonna go in one ear out the other. What chart are you using on TradingView? The regular one, like default chart. How often are you live? I'm live every day, twice a day, 9 a.m. or 9:30 or 10 a.m. for New York session, and then 8:30 p.m. Eastern for Asia every single day. Yo, what's the weather like outside? Yeah, I was about to say we could low key. Huh? What? 320? For what? All right, bet. Can we open the garage? No, what we could do with the net is we can open the garage a little bit and then the net can cover the bottom. Truz. I didn't break the net. What are you talking about? That was me? Bro, you guys are just blaming me for things that I never did. Oh, I did do that. I did do that. I'll tell them what you did, but you won't like it. You just said the N word on stream and then you're deleting all the propaganda. You are a propaganda machine. Say it again. Say it again. No, you know what my stream said? You know what my stream said? They were like, yo, that shit came out way too smooth for that to be his first time. What's your dad's name then? What's his name then? Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, whose wallet is this? Wait, where's Sola? Where's Sola? Our limits? Yeah, we got Chuz. Low key, we might have to look for. Are you muted? We might have to look for a 5 minute Chuz and Demoz lower for long skis. No, our limits are gonna get hit, but we could catch the continuation into the gap. We didn't get filled. Dude. Soba. Yo, bro, watch your mouth, bro. You've been talking to me a little too crazy, like I won't beat your ass right now. I got a gun right here. Yo, watch your mouth, idiot. Stupid idiot. Anywho, pink cable is a W? Dude, I know I fuck with this pink cable. Yo, I'm talking to my fucking stream right now, dumbass. No, I literally didn't. I yabba dabba dude more. I like when you're happy. Yesterday you were gloomy. Yeah, dude. Honestly, bro, I blame. What do I blame for me being sad yesterday? Honestly, I think I was just tired because I went to sleep during the day, and for some reason that made me tired. What did you catch today, bro? Honestly, I didn't really catch much today. So glad I TP'd. Holy, yeah. The 4 hour candle's gonna open up here soon in 10 minutes. All right, we're gonna get filled here, guys. Hopefully. chat go? Did you catch something in New York? Yeah, I did. I caught longs. My girl left me on Sunday. Should I up the switch? Up the switch on a nephew. Switch him down. Who's being? This is Keys. Do you guys play Clash Royale? Bro, I'm in a match right now, bro. I'm playing Clash Royale right now, bro. I'm so bored. This is what I usually do when I'm waiting on a limit to fill. I'll just be playing some Clash Royale for real. Bro, I hate the Archer Queen so much, bro. Like it's such a nuisance. Such a shitty card. Let's get top to 1.6 cycle. What does that mean? One 1.6 hog cycle is a deck, bro. I'm not that much of a Clash Royaler to know all that. All right, let's get this move higher. Get this short in. Dude, this 4 hour candle should manipulate higher and then move us lower, guys. So, do you plan on doing anything to your M3 soon? Yeah, we're paint matching the engine cover. We have side skirts coming, CSL grill, front mount intakes, and then we're doing mid pipes. And yeah, are you trading with minis or micros? I'm trading with minis. What's your favorite character in Naruto? Probably Jiraiya or Minato. I wish we saw more of him. Or Madara, bro. Carbon diffuser. My car already has a carbon diffuser. It came with the carbon package. So is the M3 the daily? I mean, I have a Tesla that I'll probably daily, but eventually the M3 is gonna turn into the daily. I'm not gonna buy a car just to not drive it. You know? What did you watch Naruto on? I watched the origin, like the first, like whatever, like few episodes it was on Netflix, then on Crunchyroll. Actually, no, I was watching on some like weird like website that lets you watch Shippuden. Nine anime? No, I never watch it on nine anime, bro. I just lost two Clash Royale battles in a row. I need to win on this trade now. Boom, 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 Host a Clash Royale tournament, dude. Anything but trading. Where would you put your TP? Honestly, I don't know yet. I want to get filled first, but probably target some sort of swing lows. What people asking about TP before getting filled? I don't know, bro. It'll never like make sense to me. Did you teach Key and your friends how to trade? No, me and Key traded together for like 4 years now. We're teaching our friends though. Do you pick Walk or Trish? Ooh, it's not Trish. It's Triss. But do I prefer Walk or Triss? So, I mean, Walk is discontinued, and Walk is made in India. Triss is like a shit substitute for Walk, and Walk is a shit substitute for Activist because Activist was discontinued. Then they had Walk, then they had Triss. Now they have Quagan. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't know which one I like more. I'm kidding. I don't do lean. I just watched a TikTok video once. How how at accounts Apex trading accounts can you buy with T? How many accounts can you buy with TPT? And do you have promo code? Yeah, promo code. You just put code OBI, but I don't know. I don't know how many accounts you can get. I don't know their max allocation. But yeah, code OBI on Apex Alpha and TPT. So we all just go to yo? Do you guys all want to just go to a diner after stream? Why do you look so dead already? Bro, drink a coffee, get back at it, bro. Bro, tighten the fuck up, bro. Yeah, bro, fucking tighten the fuck up, man. It's life. Fucking get over it. Shit could be a lot worse. You could be getting edged. I'm drinking Tris right now. You know we go to sleep, bro. Don't tell me what the fuck to do, man. How's the month of August for you? Honestly, it was pretty mid. I didn't really like. I was dude. I spent all the time setting up like this warehouse and stuff. Yo, the guy's coming by tomorrow morning. Yeah, I don't know what time. He said tomorrow morning. You know, what should I do? My girl left me. Honestly, bro, off yourself. Give up. I'm joking. Don't do that. That's bad. But to be honest, if your girl left you, bro, just make some money, bro. Make your life easier. Every day going. I mean, it's all right, bro. It's just mad boring. Low key, that door being open's helping.
What are you seeing? Gold? Nothing right now, bro. Look at gold, dude. Look at this. I'll pull up gold just so you can see. Tell me what you see. Like what the fuck is this, bro? Nothing's happening.
How far back do you go to mark out support and resistance points at what time frame? I don't trade support and resistance.
Just chilling. Yeah, no trades until these boys hit, man. Vent break. You copy traded with Apex? Yes, guys. I have 20 Apexes I'll copy trade all on. This is across 20 accounts. This trade right here is being placed across 20 accounts. Low key though, I'm in a mentorship and I've made more in the last 2 days watching your streams than I have in weeks in the mentorship. GG's. Yo, bro, cancel your fucking mentorships, cancel your Discord memberships. Just pull up and watch the stream, bro, for free. You don't have to buy a goddamn thing. I post enough here for free and give you guys enough like free sauce in the streams that you don't need anything else. Especially not a damn Discord or a mentorship. Like you don't need it. Which state subsidiary from? New to your stream. I'm streaming from New Jersey right now, bro. Is Taji's Discord good, bro?
Check DM on Discord.
Comp for this 4 hour, 15 minute, and 5 minute fair value gap, bro. Use copy trader with vanilla orders. Trader base top tier is what I use, bro. How do you deal
Oh,
with
I still
trailing
gotta hit him up
drawdown?
about that.
I don't have trailing drawdown anymore. All my accounts are $10,000 in profit. Do you copy trade with Ninja? No, I just use the trader base top tier, bro. Can I execute on the phone and it'll copy? You have to execute through Tradabase. That's the only way it'll copy you. You have to execute through Tradabase, and then it'll copy. Whether you do it from your phone
All
or
creators getting scammed right now. They all contacted. Damn. You be using other people's codes. That's crazy.
will you eventually delete the money orders, or are you leaving them overnight? I'm leaving them here for now. This 4 hour has to go up. This 4 hour has to go higher. Like the way that I would like this 4 hour to look is like this, except this is gonna be our this is gonna be the wick, like that, and then I need it to look like this. Ready? Let me show you guys. Boom, 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 boom. That's what I need
Bro, if
this.
I get 200, I'm using it.
That's what I need this 4 hour to look like.
Flip you, man.
Nice little wick up top.
Yo, guys, we're almost at 100 likes, bro. Stop making me fucking ask over and over. Just fucking like the stream if you're on the stream. Why are we making it such a big deal?
Did you help Mark? Who is Mark? So for this trade, it's 20 cons. We give one each. Yes, correct. You remove your links? No. Copy trading doesn't. Yeah, copy trading only works if you execute through Tradabase. 50k planned EA have good opportunities. Yes. Only if you use code key though. Only if you use code key. Also, tips for effective back testing. You just gotta go back like over a year
Do you
to
think we
back
dump
test
before the
certain
limit is
accounts.
hit? I don't think so.
Do it on like something like FX Replay
I think we get
or
filled.
live data.
How do you figure out your entry point? I mean, bro, go and watch my YouTube videos. I explain it more in depth there. But I look for higher time frame PD arrays that line up with order flow.
What kind of body again? What do you mean, what kind of body? Use Zens? No. Apex Sale, yes. Apex Sale is over right now. Did Apex deny your payout for any reason? Apex did deny my payout early one time because I was above the consistency rule. Why are you trying short? That's against bias. It's just like a
turn off ads, bro. You can't turn them off. You can just keep them at low, like they play barely. Like that's the only thing you can do. You can't turn off ads on YouTube.
I only got 10K subs, man. I see idiots with no idea running up thousands of subs. Yeah, bro. Probably because I don't know why, to be honest. But if you guys spread out the word, the good word about my streams, maybe I'll get more subs, bro. We'll try to scale my Apex 50K super payout. 53 or 54 is what I would do for a payout. If you do 54, you
Get
get
one every 5 minutes, bro. I don't make shit off these streams. I don't even know why there's ads.
yeah. I don't really care. I mean, 4 hours
Like
stream.
there really shouldn't be any ads.
He doesn't get to start making money. Happens sometimes.
Like yesterday's stream, let's see.
Trade sinker, trade
I made
sinker,
$6.
copier, trade
The
sinker.
stream before that, I made $3. The stream before that, I made $7. Like, bro, the streams don't do shit.
Did someone say code keys don't work? Yeah, those code keys don't work. Yo, try it. See what kind of discount it gives you. Should still give you some sort of discount, I think.
It's 50%.
Are we? Where's that? One day evals pass. Let's go, bro. Passing eval tomorrow. Yeah, guys. Here
The
is
most I ever made from a single stream was
$50
$15, and that was for a 4 hour stream.
50% off right now with code keys. So there's still a discount on them. Not 90%,
Gotta be
but
glaze.
50%. Let's go. Can I still get your guys' accounts?
I mean, this 4 hour open, I'm surprised we didn't manipulate higher.
To get your accounts before tomorrow. So you gotta get them quick, basically.
Yeah, we need to manipulate higher, guys, on this 4 hour. There's no upper wick. It needs to put in an upper wick, sweep the previous high, tap it to the 4 hour gap, fill us, and reject.
Virtual now. Virtual Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader or Zaybait. Both really good. In take profit trader, if I get to 55K with an 8 account, do I have 5K cushion or are there rules? Yes, you have 5K cushion. And for take profit trader, make sure you guys use code key right here. You guys see the take profit trader, make sure you use code key, guys. Lock it up, lock it up. Use code key. Justin's copying your signals and has a temperature on email. Yes.
Every time I see an overnight limit, I always get edged,
Bro, it's a friend of mine who I'm like teaching how to trade.
bro. Yo, Canes is still open.
Key code power is real. Yes, bro. I'm telling you.
Yo, Key.
Power is 100% real. Very real. It's 93.50 code key. I just tested it. 93.50 for 50K? Yeah, hell yeah. So 50% off right now, guys.
Yo, Key.
What's up?
You want to get Canes?
No.
You're not hungry?
I am, but I'm not getting canes. Are you suing Justin? No, bro. I'm not suing Justin. It's just funny, bro. Like I don't care that much, bro. It's just funny because everybody knows he took my signal. That's the funny part about it all. And then he like sent it out in his email list, pretending that it was his, and shit. I don't
I
fucking
legit just joined the stream and this dude's talking about food. All right, bro. It's not my fault you just joined. Fuck ass motherfucker. Like,
So if
it's
you're
fucking
you're
10 p.m. I've been live
let's see.
100 minutes.
I'm gonna do the math again. I did this before. I'm gonna do the math
So
again.
you think Justin Warland's a fraud?
Wait,
I don't know, dude. I don't like getting into trader drama, but he fucking signal botted us. He signal botted Key a few days ago, bro, and then like just used it to push out his fucking mentorship as much as possible, bro. I don't fuck
if
with
you
that.
make 450 for the 8 days, under 450, if you could do that, you are within the 30% consistency rule, and you can request
You know,
one day
use
bonus
so you don't use low
every
volume
day.
nodes and high volume
That's how
nodes.
you
Don't worry
calculate
about
how
us.
much
Don't
you
worry
make
about it,
per
Key.
day.
Us, bro. We
Yes,
took the
that's all
same
system.
shit, bro.
600, yeah, under 600. Are you planning on going long or short? No, not really planning on going long here. Kind of just watching, man. If I was to long, that 16.5 level I have marked out as a really good level.
Let's see what we got.
This level I have 16.5. I have this marked lower. This is a very good level for long.
Boom, boom, boom.
Only reason I don't like top step anymore, I've said this before, the
Took my binder out to do homework. I look back, 1 second it disappeared. Now I can't find it. Bro, just look where you put it.
736 filled up really well. Yeah, it is. It is. If you took the 736 trade, you're up about 10 points. Bro, all that time. Yeah. You're choosing between two entries like you did today. Wouldn't it be better to choose the closest entry and just have a bit of a bigger stop? Yes, but I don't like having a bit of a bigger stop because I have fixed risks of $100 to $200 per trade, and I don't like going above that. Why would you say it's not even to top wick? Yeah, because this 4 hour does not have a wick right here. This 4 hour needs to put in the wick. I've showed you guys this live in the last 2 days multiple times. The 4 hour not having the wick, and then the 4 hour goes
I
above.
low key, if we get down there, I like 715.25.
This is going to go higher at some point here. This is going to go higher and put in this wick. You guys get what I'm saying?
Then I would have a 10-point stop
I'm not just
or a
telling you, I'm
5-point
also
stop.
showing you like live examples of this in action. All right, that's why I do the streams so you guys can see the shit like happen live instead of me showing you in like a recap video or in hindsight or whatever.
What do you think
It happens
about
live.
limiting the CE of 2 CEs? Bro, that just sounds like bullshit. That's what Justin Werland said he did, but he just signal botted.
You guys gonna see?
Is this still just engineered liquidity? I think so, bro. Honestly, like it might just chop around for a little and make a move towards midnight.
This is going to go lower.
Maybe, maybe not.
This
How
5
far are you from
that is
Paramus? Bro, I'm like
and
2 hours
also
away.
put in this and then go lower.
Yo, I'm about to order food if you guys want anything.
What's gonna happen here?
I'm getting like just some quick shit.
Yo, what does some quick shit mean to you?
Probably some McDicks. Do you want your McChicken?
Yeah, yeah, get me mine, bro.
You want two?
Yeah.
What did you say?
Western low
All right,
is
bet.
trading hourly SVG, not watching that. Yeah, that's why I mean I have the 16.5 level marked out.
Yo, what's your guys' go-to McDonald's
The
order?
value gap too, along with the hourly gap. It's like the full closure of the hourly gap. I would prefer if this hourly didn't get hit. I would prefer Taco Winnie gets it first.
Get a salad. That's what I'm actually getting. I'm actually ordering a salad.
We'll see here, I guess. But I would, like I said, I would prefer the upper one. If not, then 720.5 is a good level as well. I'll mark that out too.
Spicy snack wrap. Honestly, bro, I don't know if I rock with the snack wraps. I've heard only bad things about them.
It just doesn't line up with anything on the lower time frame. Like 5, 10,
McCrispy 20-piece nugget. Bro, the nuggies are fire.
fire, bro. Can't stack any Gatorade in there.
Yeah, I saw it, bro.
It's fire, bro. And it's clean more than it is fatty. You know what I mean?
All right, let's see what I'm gonna get.
So who signal botted who? I mean, the guy that was live trading probably is not the one who signal botted, right? Wouldn't that make sense?
I was there. He did.
I know it requires a lot of like critical thinking to understand that, but yeah. Joey's doing some elite ball knowledge. I was in here last night. I don't know if you remember. You're good, bro. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. SCTM5 between MM2 and Green. Um, I don't know. I'm not looking at MM2. Did Shinobi teach you how to trade order flow? I don't trade order flow. Shinobi hasn't taught me anything.
If they're saying I said I taught you, they're rage baiting.
No, yeah, he was just asking if you taught me how to trade order flow. I don't trade order flow.
Oh no, I taught you everything else though.
Yeah, you didn't teach me a single thing.
Order coming will have the missing salad, guys. I'm ordering a salad, bro. I swear. On Key's soul, I'm ordering a salad.
Take Profit Trader is the best. Daily payouts and 60 times from Copy Trader. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is a really good firm. The only thing I don't like about TPT is the 5 day passes. The 5 day pass is kind of annoying. 5 day eval pass,
I
but
see barbecue
the
sauce. I mean
exact
salad.
code key for TPT is
This is my friend's
Liquidity.
order.
Now, right now,
It's actually a pretty fire order.
by the way, guys, using code key,
The thing about McDonald's, guys, it's just so consistent.
pretty sick. Pretty sick. You taught me a lot about the market. You helped me understand concepts a lot better than I knew before you did, bro. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
How did you find the bottom limit? It's that 5 minute gap. Yo, Key, by the way, I'm longing 7:15:25. Do you want to know why?
I have a different level.
No, I know what level you have. You did it on the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Go on the 3 minute and then look at the second leg.
Nah, you lost me there, champ.
Nah, Truz.
Nah. You take that, I'll take mine.
All right, bet. What do you have?
16.5.
16.5, right under the equal lows.
That's correct.
I low key fuck with that one.
I know you do.
Are we gonna account for 2 points of fuckery,
No. Don't really need to, bro.
bro? We needed 5 points of fuckery today.
I want my second game of GTM at $2,300. Ooh, shout out. Let's go.
Guys, this is why you need to be trading with like other people who trade a similar strategy to you. Because notice how I had a lower limit, Key had a higher limit, but he saw something that I overlooked. He saw the equal lows on the 5 minute, and then boom.
Keep pulling your gap for the recording. Buys or shorts? Either or. Just watching here right now. Not really doing anything at the minute.
Yeah, market's just been moving sideways, chat. Bro, it's a 2 tick difference. You guys have to watch out just because there's levels on order flow, they could be spoof orders. You need to be able to learn how to spot spoof orders.
Look at the hoop. Manfred is making it right now, bro. Why would I enter the gold always running consolidation? Yeah, gold just is doing absolutely nothing right now, bro. No point in touching gold. It shouldn't be, but it's just doing nothing right now. It's just consolidating. So I'm looking at it. Are your NY session trades also low win rate, high RR? I mean, in the last like month or so, I've definitely had better, way better success in New York, but it's kind of like back and forth. You know what I mean? It's back and forth. Will you hold your limit overnight for the game? I don't know.
Yo, I'm about to play some Clash Royale, chat.
I can even put that limit that I had last night. You guys might have seen it this morning. It was up in profit, like a good amount. I think I was up like $2,000, $2,500 in profit, and then it came all the way down and break evened me. Crazy work. But it bottom ticked, and then it was, if I was up, I would have probably sold it. I woke up, and it was already like almost back down to my break even. 720.5. The first buy level is approaching here. 720.5 is the first buy level. It's coming up pretty quickly. Um, this huh? I might take it. Seven 20.5. I might take this here, to be very honest, guys. Okay.
I
720.5.
need 200 more to 10K. What do you mean 10K? You know what we need? We need more likes on the stream. We're only at 86. We need 14 more. There's 213 people in here. I really don't get it.
I'm gonna watch this right now. 720.5. I'm just gonna watch this then. For now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the upper limit. I'm just gonna keep a here. Remember that this is where I was shorting, but I'm gonna remove it for now. Okay, just readjust it here to this 4 hour, just because we're gonna be waiting all night for it to go back up and hit those limits. So the long does look good because this 4 hour, like I showed you guys earlier, this 4 hour does have to go up.
How many trophies do you have? Like 7,700. When did JW signal bot you? It wasn't me. He signal botted Key. That was like 2 days ago, yesterday when he had his biggest day of the year.
The bicep is actually pretty solid. I like the bicep. We just pushed into this hourly fair value gap here too. 720 is almost hit. 720 is almost hit. Here we go. There's 720.5 getting hit right there.
You long that?
I have like a bunch of fucking throwaway top step evals that I just took it on.
Oh. What accounts? I'm on my 100K Alpha Zero qualified account.
Indexes, I'm waiting for the 716.5. But I have some throwaway top steps that I just filled on for this one. But they're throwaways.
W stream. What do you think about One Piece? I never watched it.
Very close to one day, but I think it's very safe. Yeah, I like this order.
Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm very fucking bored.
I think NFP is gonna go higher, bro. I think it's gonna go higher. Devil's Mark, yeah. This is Devil's Mark. So this is what I'm telling you guys. This is gonna go higher at some point. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Fitting personal funded at the same time. No, I am not. I'm only fitting pundits. No personal right now. You guys can see at the bottom right.
Best of Alpha is the advanced.
My
Use code OBI on Alpha. But yeah.
So I took this here on evals just now. Buys here on my evals to 720.5, and I'm gonna be waiting for 716.5 to hit with the pundits. Okay.
All right. We
We are
filled.
filled, guys. We are filled. You just missed it, bro. Yeah, you missed it. So holy bottom tick of fucking doom. Holy bottom
Yo,
tick of doom.
should we move our stop up? That was a fucking nice one.
Bottom tick of doom, bro.
Yo, okay, I moved my stop up to that low.
All right. Yeah, you guys can go break even here. That was an absolute fucking bottom tick, bro.
Banger.
That was something to write home to your fucking grandmother about.
Yeah, I'm moving down to BE here, guys. I'm not gonna if it goes lower, I have a different limit I can long. I'm not gonna risk anything on this trade
You can
anymore.
go break even here again if you guys don't want to risk anything. This trade is free. It can 100% be free right now. You guys move yourself to break even.
I would highly recommend you guys move your stop to BE.
Uh,
In a perfect world, that's the bottom. We retrace, put in a top wick on this, sweep the previous high, fill that 4 hour fair value gap. Boom! Dump. Dump to zero.
my TP right now is going to be these highs, like at least the 4 hour high. We got to get above the 4 hour high, and then I'd like to see these Asia highs. I think they tap in on MNQ. I don't know. That's weird. I don't know why not. It's odd. Yeah, gold is dumping right now. Good sign for MQ.
You guys catch that?
Reverse quarterly.
Type W in the chat, guys. Like up the stream. How did you not get filled, bro? How did you not fucking get filled?
MNQ
The limit was there for like fucking 30 minutes. Guys, 5 more likes. Let's go.
that sucks. That really sucks. All right, let's push. Let's push, baby.
You got to pump it
Four
up.
hour high.
Don't you know? Pump it
Four
up.
hour high.
You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you? Mm, 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 mm,
Doom.
what a banger!
That's how we do shit.
Good comms,
That's how we
bro.
fucking do shit around here, baby.
Key, good comms.
W comes.
W comms.
Good. Yeah, Justin Werlin being fucking good right now.
Yo, Justin Werland just paid off his 2012 G Wagon.
Yo, guys, Insta story time. Yo, everybody spam W's, bro. I need everybody to spam fucking W's in this bitch right now.
All right, guys, I'm about to LARP the fuck out of this shit. Ready? Everyone, I want you guys to spam W's. I'm gonna count down.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna count down from 3. I want you guys to comment W's so I can post this on my Instagram. All right? When I count down from 3, I say 3, 2, 1. When I say 1, everyone spam W. All right, ready?
Guys, we
3,
are crazy
2,
right now.
1.
Bottom pick
Spam
versus
W.
Doom here on Asia. Literally the bottom pick. Ain't nobody doing it like this, bro. Ain't nobody doing it like this. W, guys. Let's fucking go.
Bottom tick.
Let's fucking go. Guys, go stop the break even here,
Hold on.
guys. Everybody that's in this, go stop the break even right now. Stop the break even.
Boom. Thanks, guys. You can stop spamming W now.
Stop the beating. Live agent,
Banger.
you are over. Yeah, exactly. Yep. There you go. All right, let's fucking go, bro. First trade on the Fundeezies. Actually, second trade on the Fundeezies. We up. We up. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. Unlike you, unlike me, unlike me. And that's gonna be the. Hold on, I gotta post it right now. That's gonna be the fucking audio, bro. It's gonna be unlike me. Nah, cause I was talking in it, so I can't put an audio low key. Yo, guys, yo, Shinobi, stop trying to be me so bad, bro.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Stop trying to
I
be
don't know
me
what you're
so
talking about.
bad.
I'm not you if I post it first.
Stop trying to be me so bad, bro.
Dude, unlike me, bro.
Like, the
Yo,
thing is, you're trying to be me so badly,
bro,
bro.
you're trying to. Yo, you know what, bro? You know
Yo,
what,
you
bro?
and Justin Werling really the same person right now.
Yo, don't ever disrespect me like that again, bro. Don't ever disrespect me like that again. I'll knock your head off,
You're
bro.
unlike me. Let's take talker, bro. I have the take talker level set on the screen, bro.
Oh, we are
Yo,
up.
if you're in this with me, take a fucking screenshot and tag me right now. Take a screenshot and tag me on my Instagram right now, bro. Take a screenshot, tag me on my Instagram if you guys are in this right now. Tag me on Instagram, keep it crazy, huh? Yeah, keep it crazy, yeah.
Yo, NQ Ace just got a 10K payout. What the fuck?
Anything less than 600, you're chilling.
Let's go.
You got the set limit? Nah, remove the set limit, bro. Drop the link or username. But my username on Instagram is just Keyflow Trades. Keyflow Trades. That's it. Go ahead and tag me on Instagram if you guys took this with me, bro. The trade is free now, guys. The trade is fully free. We should be going for this 4-hour high here for TP1, and then final TP is gonna be the Asia highs. Okay, that was a fucking beautiful trade. That's how we
Yo,
do shit
guys.
around here, boys. That's how we fucking do shit around here.
I'm targeting this high right here.
If Justin sees this shit, bro, he's gonna start geeking out, bro. He's probably already in my premium.
Yo, guys, make sure you guys take a screenshot and tag me on Instagram at Shinobi Signals so I can LARP your guys' success and then get more people in the stream so I can show my code type shit.
If you don't already follow me, make sure you follow me. Keyflow Trades on Instagram. Take a screenshot, post it
Why
on
fucking my
TikTok, bro.
TOS chart? No, blah, blah, blah. Dude, we are up so fat.
We fucking do shit every day, bro.
I'm going to scale 1 at the Asia highs here. I'm going to scale. Yo, did Subby take that?
Yeah,
Let's wait.
Subby took the bottom pick of Doom, bro.
Ah, wait, did Rahul take it?
Nah, bro, Rahul.
What is he doing?
Dude, he's being ugly, bro. He's being ugly.
I don't give a fuck if he's sick, bro. There's money to be made.
It's alright.
It's okay. We're up. We're up. That's real money. Guys, our friend who just started trading passed 20 accounts and already hit us, and he caught this bottom tick with us.
Yeah, you could just leave it right there. Thank you very much.
Guys, this 4 hour high is gonna be my first TP.
No, no, we trade.
Trade?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
we're
you
day
trade
traders.
cars.
No, 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 no. We day trade. Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. We do streams and do day trades. We're streaming right now.
In this office? Or
Yeah, yeah. This
do you live
yeah,
here too?
yeah. No, no, we don't live here, but this is just like kind of a this setup where we stream and trade. You know? You like it?
The setup?
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, I haven't cracked the code on day trading yet.
Yeah.
Because it's like,
Well, we stream for free. You could watch us.
oh really? On
Yeah.
YouTube or whatever?
Yeah, on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would love to do that. Take. I don't want to take a photo. I want to hand it to you to take a photo. Yeah, I took a lot of my money out of the stock market and started putting it into Bitcoin a couple of years ago.
Yeah. You're up.
Yeah.
Yeah. It should be good. It's a good thing. Bitcoin's up.
Shinobi, do you know Indiana lingo, bro, dude?
Uh huh.
How do you say your friend is lying? Yo, you're creaming on my dick right now.
For like 9 months, and then I just was like, screw this. I'm not sitting around waiting for
Did you
this to
take a
happen.
loss on it?
Well, I sold. No, yeah, I was like, I broke even.
All right, guys, first TP's coming up.
Yeah.
Oh,
That here, I would have made a lot of.
Yeah.
There's so many things I would have made a lot of money on, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. That's how it
on
is.
my first TP.
I used to do options. We both used to do options. Now we do futures full time.
What they call it? Something micro mini or something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
minis. Like we trade the Nasdaq.
Yo, our DoorDash driver, low key, at the warehouse right now, and he's asking
Yeah,
about
the
the
Russell.
market.
I mean, I only trade the Nasdaq. That's it, not the Russell. But yeah, the Russell is also futures.
So the market's not trading right now. So how are you
It
doing
is.
it?
It is.
Oh, it's
Futures
like,
market is open,
oh, there's
like basically 24/7. Yeah.
Is it too late to enter?
what's it called, analytics or whatever.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh
There's
my
there's
God, can we
markets.
hit TP? Can we fill?
Yeah, yeah. Come look.
Can we fill? Oh, first TP hit, guys.
Yeah, guys. TP one hit right there.
TP one hit.
Our viewers in the stream right now watching. Guys, TP one hit. You guys could take some off right there.
I just trimmed TP one hit, and
No, TP1 just take profit. Yeah, yeah, take profit. So one take profit. This is just like a prop firm software. You guys can see right here. Like this is. Oh,
Unk, I got FOMO to enter right now.
no. Stay in. Go find the TP, bro. Yeah, TP1 software. This is just a brokerage. This is like Tradebit, a brokerage. So this is where we trade. This is like Robinhood basically, but for futures. Yeah, yeah, yeah. TD Ameritrade. You could trade futures on TD Ameritrade too. Yeah, yeah. Thinkorswim is a little more advanced for sure. Yeah, yeah. That's what we do, man. Must be worth doing because you're doing it. Oh, 100%. Look, you can see. You want to see how much I'm up? It's like floating. It's like floating right
Yo,
now.
Keyflow,
End of the day, yeah.
the DoorDash driver came and he knew about. He's asking about day trading.
You got lightning?
there's the Eagles game is delayed because of this lightning.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
This was cool. They're your cars. You guys like Beamers?
Yeah, we like Beamers.
What's the YouTube thing?
YouTube is Keyflow Trades.
Can I still enter now for a 0.23 RR? No. I don't know what trading is or how to do it. I still managed to buy a prop count, set that limit order before Edgar did.
You know, so basically, I took
Who's
profit.
Edgar?
It's up. You know, I'm up like 700 some dollars.
Keyflow trade.
Yeah.
Oh, Edgar ACG.
Yeah, yeah.
That's too funny.
So basically, everybody that takes this trade with me, if they want to take this trade, they're also up like similar amounts.
Do you win every day or is there days when you don't?
No, I definitely have days that I don't. Of course, you're gonna have those days. I win more often than not, though. You know what I mean? So I'm able to make it a living out of it.
What were the confluences for this trade? Straight vibes. No, but we had equal lows here and a fair value gap under, so we limited there. Come on, let's say 465. Come on. 739. Come on. How did you manage to get the one guy that said L into the video? I don't know. I didn't pay that much attention to it.
I don't bother with not individual stocks. I used to when I traded options, but this is so much easier. It's like I don't have to like go through and look at any individual stocks. It's the Nasdaq. You know what I mean?
When did you realize you could do this reliably?
When I replaced the income with my 9 to 5.
Yeah, but you mind the tax implications. You have to
There are some tax implications, yeah, but
because it's
there's
short-term trading.
so if you do options, it's short-term trading. If you do futures, it's taxes long-term. So you save on taxes doing futures. It's one
What
of
is
the
it,
main reasons.
15% instead of
It's
10%, or
it's no, it's like it's a little bit, or it's somewhere around 20% as opposed to like close to 30% if you were on short-term gains.
because you're making money?
Of course, yeah, 100%.
But do you do quarterly taxes, or do you just wait till the end of the year?
I do quarterlies.
It's better that way instead of paying a lump sum
Like a stupid amount.
if you're making money.
Yeah, yeah.
But still, who wants to pay taxes?
Yeah. Yeah, you can watch the streams. We stream every single night.
I don't understand. It's like at this point in time, I don't like. I mean, I see it going up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's, I mean,
That's about it.
if you keep watching, at some point you'll yeah, exactly.
And I think
Should be still of a limit at 742? Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
I forget when it's like a thick candle and then it goes to a point. What does that mean?
A thick candle, then it goes to a point.
Like these are thicker bars and then it's sticking out.
It just means this basically just means that buyers are kind of losing strength a little bit, right? That's all that means. Yeah. But it like you can't look too deep into the candles because it
Just
doesn't
look for
really
the
mean.
the
That's the entire idea of trading, though. You know what I mean? That's it.
yeah. But that doesn't
How do you determine when you're going to wait for a fair value uptake at a tick above like this trade? Um, Secret level. That was our Enigma level.
Nasdaq you're doing.
I want to load the boat 9 minis. You're crazy. Oh, big push. Let's go. Come on. TP's about to hit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Yo, what if we ping pong this right now? That'd be crazy. All right, TP hit.
Final TP, guys.
TP hit, guys. All right, cells just filled.
Yeah, we could
5 point stop.
close it out of this right here.
Yo, we better just ping ponged it.
I'm gonna go ahead and close out, guys. I'm fully out. I'm fully out. Fully out. W trade, guys. Yeah, exit at 9:30. Perfect. Nice roar up. Hell yeah. Final TP, guys. Done.
Yo, Key, we just ping ponged it.
Calling it a night now?
I might call it a night. I might not. I might just stay here and just chill. We got like 500-600 people in the stream, so I just talked to everybody, you know, answer everybody.
We got equal lows at these 5 minutes, guys. Wait, Key, you removed 742?
Yeah. I'm not.
Bro, it just ping ponged.
I'm not shorting it. No.
I'm moving my stop loss to that wick high, guys. Stop BE. I'm targeting those 5 minute lows.
Have nearly enough subscribers or anything like that to make money streaming. On the streams, I don't make any money. I told you I do it for the love of the game. It's literally a lot here.
All right, guys. Stops at BE on the short.
I live in Mount Laurel, but like, so if I'm on the YouTube and I all of a sudden like say hi,
Stops at BE.
Yeah, just stop by. Just look. Yeah, we got the whole chat going right here. You could literally just stop by, say something in the chat.
what would you say I should do if
Stops at BE. I'm targeting these equal lows here. If we get it, we get it. If we don't, I'm probably gonna call it a night. If we get stopped on this, I'm calling it a night. Come on, let's fucking ping pong this shit, bro. That would be so much aura. Stops at break even, guys. No one should be losing on this trade here. Stops BE. No one should be taking a loss on this. He's in the army right now. Let's go. If we can ping pong this, guys, I would be that like, dude, I'd be so happy. Dude, just give me a nice little ping pong. I'll be a happy critter. Yeah. But guys, if you guys banked and you guys want to learn to trade like me, the first link in the bio is the yearly discount to the Discord. It's $350 for the year. Way cheaper than most people. We used to do $100 a month, but I just made it cheaper, so it's $350 for the year if you guys want to join that. But yeah, and if you guys can't afford it, there's a free Discord you can join where I alert a lot. So yeah, feel free to do whatever. Are you listening to the convo he's on with the doodle? Yeah, I'm listening right now. What's the method? Shouldn't tell him to use Klarna. Yo, guys, Klarna my Discord. Ah. Yo, it's raining cats and dogs right now. Yo, everyone, stop loss at break even, set your TP, and just walk away. This is my last trade for Asia. Last trade. And make sure you guys like up the stream, guys. Key flow better? Bro, we trade the same fucking strat. He's sitting right there. Like, bro, you guys are not about to start, like, a competition between me and Key, bro. We've been homies for 5, 6 years. You know? Like, I think that's just so pathetic. Marlon, Key might be better than me, but guess what, bro? You'll never be as good as me, unfortunately. Hell yeah, AJ, love to see it. I'm gonna end stream here, guys. Stops BE. I'm gonna end this here. Stops break even. It's probably gonna stop us BE, but I'm gonna call it a night. Lovely, lovely stream. I appreciate you guys staying here. I'll see you guys in the morning for New York session. Make sure you guys drop a like, and if you guys caught the trades with me, even if you didn't, bro, take a screenshot of the stream and tag me on Instagram at Shinobi Signals, guys. I'm gonna be reposting all of them. And yeah, love you guys. Thank you guys for always supporting. And yeah, you guys mean